These are actually kind of good. I wonder if these are gonna grow on people. In today's video, we have a bit of an interesting is what I meant to say, slide that's going to be releasing. Now Adidas has announced that these will arrive on August the 2nd, so if you are by chance in the market for a slide, we are going to be breaking down the sizing, the comfort in today's video. And if you enjoy this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We always do early sneaker reviews here on the channel. These are really wild. And mainly also in today's video, along with sizing, the comfort of it, we're also going to be talking about whether we think that these are worth the price point. Ultimately, I do think that a lot of people are going to come around on this slide, and I honestly don't think that they're too bad. Initially, before I had them in hand, put them on foot, I was like, absolutely no way. And I still personally, just let's go ahead and get into my opinion, I don't think that this is one that I'm gonna rock. I'm gonna go for the regular Yeezy slide, which this is also a new colorway, and we have some more colorways here and some more Yeezys that we'll get into, so just be sure to subscribe. But this one's gonna be the first one up, and this is of course the 450 slide. Now this was first seen on Kim Kardashian. She was wearing like an orange sports bra, orange leggings, and it already matched this kind of yellow orangish tone that we get on this first colorway of the 450 Yeezy slide. And she was the first person, and that was kind of the first time that we ever saw anyone wearing it. And right off the rip, I do think that this design here is going to suit females more so than it will for males. Not that males can't pull this off, can't rock it, but I do think that if you wear this without socks, which is mainly how females do wear most of their shoes, and sandals and slides, these are going to look better without socks. But for the sake of you in today's video, I decided to put some socks on because you definitely don't want to see my feet. And going back to the statement that I said about the females, I think that they're going to like these. When I actually pulled these out, my girl was like, I like these. That was the first thing she said. So that was kind of her hint, like, hey, you better buy these. But let's go ahead and get into the Yeezy 450 slide. Now this colorway and the pattern, this is actually an EVA foam, same exact foam that we get on the Yeezy slides that we're all so familiar with. Now if you can tell, if I can make sure that I get it to focus, you do have a bit of a pattern there, which is very similar to what we see on some of the colorways of the EVA foam on the Yeezy slides. And we see that exact same thing here with the 450. And I think the most similar thing to the 450 is of course the grooves that, well, let me get the one without the tag so it's not hanging there. But the grooves that we have here are very similar to what we get on the 450 sneaker. And I think that's ultimately why it's called the 450 slide. And then we have this it almost reminds me of like a cage or some type of design on the part here that of course holds it to your foot. And almost when I look down at it, I want to think like Spider-Man. But a very unique and interesting design that we have there. And then the only little hidden detail that we have within this, which is very difficult to see, is inside it here, you do have 450 slide. 450 slide, this is a non-US, made in China. And then we do get the subtle Adidas branding on the heel there and also on the outsole towards the toe. Now when it comes to the comfort, these are safe to say they are just as comfortable, if not more comfortable, than the Adidas Yeezy slides. So if you do like what you have on the Yeezy slides, then you're gonna love these also. Now the main thing that people are most concerned about is gonna be sizing. Now here I have a unreleased upcoming Yeezy slide in a size 9, which I do find this to fit kind of like some of the others. Sizing's kind of all over the place. You probably know that with Yeezy slides. This is also a size 9. And if you can tell, I'm gonna hold these side by side as close as I can. But if you pay close attention, the 450 slide is just a bit bigger than the size 9 Yeezy slide. So the reason I'm holding those up side by side is because Yeezy slides, we normally size up half a size if possible, or a full size. I think that the 450 slides do fit more true to size, because I personally am a size 10 in Jordan and Nike sneakers, and I have found that even for the size 9, that I could even wear this, as you can tell from the on foot shots here in today's video. So I do think that these do fit more true to size than the Yeezy slides. And also another thing that we'll point out is the part that, the hole that holds your foot. You can tell on the 450 here, it is a bit bigger than what you get on the size 9 of the Yeezy slide. So that's another thing to account. I think overall the 450s do fit a bit true to size. My overall thoughts and opinions on these is I think these are honestly for the females. Once again, not that males can't pull it off, but I think females with no socks, these are gonna be super dope for the summer. Not for me personally, but let us know down below in the comments, what do you think of the upcoming Adidas Yeezy 450 slides? And we do have tons of Yeezy slide videos and Yeezy 350 videos of unreleased stuff that are going to be coming very, very soon. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Sneaker Huddle, and we'll catch you in the very next video.